Once you've received your Habit camera kit, to get started, what you'll need is both the kit and whichever device you plan to use. The Habit camera app is designed to work with any Android or iOS devices such as an iPhone or Samsung, Lenovo, any sort of Android tablets. So anything that can connect to the app stores and download the Habit camera app can be used to support your skin inspection routine with the Habit camera. Before you begin, simply go to the App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for the words Habit camera, and download the app. Once you've done that, you're then ready to open the box and begin using the Habit camera. And so first, remove the sleeve, set it aside, open the lid to the box, and in the first insert, what you'll see is the camera, which is attached to the flexible gooseneck handle, the flexible rubber handle, which is used for limited dexterity for both the camera and the handle, and the USB charging cable. So as I mentioned, there's a flexible telescoping handle, which comes attached to the Habit camera when you open the packaging. And then the last thing you'll want to do before setting this down is you'll want to remove the protective film that is covering the camera lens. The Habit camera is attached magnetically to these accessories, so if desired, you can easily just pull the camera off of the handle. Once you've done that, the remaining accessories in the second insert include the table mount, which is designed to sit on the table and support your Habit camera in that position. The AC adapter, which connects to the USB charging cable. And then finally, the suction mount, which has a suction cup designed to attach to any glass or mirror or similar type surface.